Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. So as per requirement, we have added another control in here and the drop down will say monthly. So if you will select monthly, you don't need to select any of these as well. So you can always delete. But if you want to see the monthly data, but you should start from February and then onwards, you will see second, third, fourth, and fifth month. If I'll say, okay, I want to see only last 3 months, maybe 3, 4, and 5. So the current month is 5 monthly. So this is, you can see the total for each brand. If you want to select multiple brands, this will still work for this. So the Cell has this and the Durrani has this much. Similarly, all of the chart will get updated as automatically. So we are seeing the monthly revenue generated, monthly sales, and monthly spend as well. So let me start it. I'm not selecting January. You can always select January, but if you will remove it, it will still go down to the first month. And now this is the behavior of the spend. So this is the trend for the Torani, and this one is for so far. So we'll go to the other side. Here we can see this will be better. So you are familiar with these charts. Sales versus spend on time based, sales versus ad spend on time based, bar diagram, and the line diagram. So the overall seems to be better. Yep. So this is the normal trend. Let's select any other brand. Let's see the total sales. So this is the monthly distribution of the total sales. Here it is. So this is sales versus spend bar diagram, giving you the overall idea. So what is the spend for the month of January? What is the month and sales? Month and sales. Sorry, spend and sales. So this is for total sales. And if we can see the chart here, yep. So yeah, I think this is what you asking for. So the drop down is here now. Yearly, we are not going to. Maybe we are going if we have more data like from 2022 to 2024 data. So there will be two bars, vertical bars showing 2 different years. But we do not have any data, so we can keep the. You can always leave this. So weekly data. For weekly data, again, we haven't selected any of the week, so it's showing all the weeks available. But if you want to see last 4 weeks, maybe, so you can always select from May. So we have last 4 weeks for the month of May. So this is the running month. If we'll select April, so this will show the weekly sales and obviously weekly spend and sales against spend from start of the April weekly basis down to the last month available, which is May in our case. So the week number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These months are not currently being used, but these are in the running month, so it's showing. So this is how you can present the view. And regarding the monthly view, you can always select the monthly and delete this month if you want to see it right from the beginning, that is January. So this is the monthly view. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if I missed something or if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.